Imagine this. You're standing in your kitchen, about to toss out another plastic bottle, when suddenly your conscience taps you on the shoulder. What if I told you that humble plastic bottles could be a secret weapon for your home, garden, and even your sanity? Stick around because we're diving into a world where plastic bottles are the unsung heroes of everyday life. Plastic bottles, we all have them and we all toss them. But did you know they could be transformed into tools, decor, and even survival gear? Here's why you should think twice before chucking that bottle into the trash. Number 1, self-watering planter. Ever dreamt of having a green thumb? Well, plastic bottles are here to make that dream a reality. Cut the bottle in half, flip the top into the bottom, add some soil and a plant, then fill the bottom with water. Viola, a self-watering planter that keeps your plants hydrated without you having to lift a finger. Number 2, bird feeder. Give your backyard birds a 5-star dining experience with a do-it-yourself bird feeder. Poke a few holes, insert some wooden spoons as perches, and bird seed. Bring it up and watch your garden turn into a bird watcher's paradise. Number 3, handy funnel. Need a funnel but don't have one? Simply cut the bottom off a plastic bottle and there you have it, an instant funnel for all your pouring needs. Whether it's motor oil or pancake batter, you've got it covered. Number 4, mini greenhouse. Want to give your seedlings a head start? Cut the bottom off a large plastic bottle and place it over the plants in your garden. It creates a warm, humid environment that speeds up growth. It's like a spa day for your plants. Number 5, organized chaos. Tired of cables and cords taking over your life? Cut a bottle into rings and use them to keep your cables neatly coiled. No more untangling nightmares, just pure organized bliss. Number 6, emergency scooper. Next time you need to scoop something, pet food, garden soil, or even snow, grab a plastic bottle, cut off the bottom, and you've got a ready-made scooper. Simple, effective, and utterly ingenious. Number 7, creative storage solutions. Running out of space to store your knickknacks? Cut off the tops of plastic bottles and mount them to a board for instant storage compartments. Perfect for holding pens, craft supplies, or even kitchen utensils. Your space, your rules. Number 8, bottle bricks. On the eco-friendly frontier, plastic bottles filled with non-recyclable waste can be used as bottle bricks for building. They're sturdy, sustainable, and turn trash into a resource. Talk about a win-win. Number 9, ice packs. Got an injury or need to keep your lunch cool? Fill a bottle with water, freeze it, and you've got a reusable ice pack. Plus, no melting mess. It's all contained. Number 10, drip irrigation system. For the garden enthusiasts, poke small holes in a bottle, bury it next to your plants, and fill it with water. It slowly releases water, ensuring your plants get the hydration they need without wasting a drop. Efficient and effective. Conclusion. There you have it. 10 brilliant ways to turn plastic bottles from trash into treasure. From gardening to home organization, these hacks are not only practical, but also fun to create. Stay safe, stay secure, and give these alternate uses a try. You might just find that plastic bottles become your new favorite resource. I'll see you again soon. Bye bye, and thanks for reading, watching, and listening.